record it. You should be able to hear it.
Wait, paragraphs. Wait, can you stay here for a second?
I'm talking here. We're in no hurry to get here ever anymore because it's always locked.
I'm here. That's a lot. Yeah. That's done. I let the firemen do their business. Like, the firefighters like here. That alarm's like, I heard me put these on. I don't talk to them. Yeah. Can't believe I heard that big boom. Something's going on right there. Like the water, like first I heard a boom right there. It's like all right there. Holy shit. Yeah, something's going on. I know it's real. Whew. That was like a big boom.
Yeah. They had all this cold weather and nothing, but now, a warm night.
It's like, whoa. And the fire truck's like right here. Woke up in the middle of the night and I just hear this. Because I was like about to peek out the window.
Yeah. I'm surprised Josh hasn't heard it. Alright.
Yeah.
Some machine in there has got water.
Yeah, I know it was like a big boom first, like boom. In the news right now, we have a water broke right here, and how that came back. I get used to the sound. It's kind of like calm. Make sure this fire truck get out of the way. Move, firefighters. So it's really devastating, like right in there.
It's up here.
I know how to turn off fire alarms. I've been watching YouTube videos how fire alarms go off at full station. I can't believe like I know everything that happened and stuff, but I feel like shivery right now. Like I can't believe I heard this big boom and then after that.
A lot of water coming out of there.
Yeah, I know.
That's all I know.
It's like a big boom. Can't believe that happened. I should tell the firefighter knows how it happened. Like right over there. It's like bad.
I know.
I remember that.
The water's not down on that floor. It's up on this one.
The how the fire alarm
Is
went
it
off.
coming out of the underneath the? I don't think so. Walk very carefully. Very slippery.
I'm surprised that.
Alright, we gotta sit back. At least it's not pouring out of here like when they first.
I know.
I don't like this noise over here.
I really don't like. I'm really suspicious.
Huh?
I'm suspicious with that. Cause
Gotta be careful. No injuries tonight. Come on, stay on the snow. That's gonna get your best traction.
I smell fire. Something's burnt. I feel smells like something.
It could be the exhaust.
No.
Diesel exhaust.
Oh yeah, this is diesel exhaust. So I know the.
Stay close.
Goodbye, fire alarm. Good night.
Hurry up. When the cars go.
That was worse. Yeah.
Find the shut-off valve.
Yeah.
My salt water. Feels it, huh? Wipe your feet good. This gets in between the dog's toes. And I thought I had different stuff, so wipe your feet. Wipe your feet on here good. Get all the salt off. All right.